A relationship comes with pressure. So how can I trust you? Tell me.
So it's like I said, it takes time. Yeah, I mean not very long time, but I mean there's a process to it. That's what I believe. It starts like this. We chill together and somehow we enjoy the conversation. And we'll be looking forward to another conversation. It doesn't have to be the next day, but I come around again. I'm like, hey, how you doing? And the next thing, you know,
Establishing.
I bring you food. I make you something.
Ah,
Yeah, I mean, just things are
that I
quite.
like.
This thing is quite
That I
simple.
like, but that would not impress me.
It's not about. I'm not trying to impress you.
When I say impress me, I'm like, I want you to impress me with yourself, not impress me like for myself. In the sense that, like, I want to see like who you are. Like it's a you thing. It's not a me thing. Because like I don't have a problem. Once we've cracked you, we've cracked me.
Let me tell you what it is. Yeah, I see things like this as it's. We're not dying tomorrow. I think there's time,
Yeah.
right? So I feel like it's just you take it one step at a time. There is no definite plan or steps to take to achieve these things. So just not necessarily going with the flow, but just doing the things that need to be done at the point that they need to be done.